Today I'm going to show you how to make my easy banana raisin bread. These are the ingredients. In a bowl, add 3/4 cups of light brown sugar and ½ cup of room temperature butter. Cream the mixture together. Now add 2 beaten eggs, 3 overripe mashed bananas, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix together. Add 1¼ cups of all-purpose flour. Mix just to combine. Fold in 1/3 cup of golden raisin coated with 1 tablespoon of flour. Pour the mixture into a buttered loaf pan. Bake into a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and allow to cool. Thank you so much for watching.